Before the video starts, I want to tell you if you are a student of NEET or JEE, you want to be an engineer or a doctor, and you have doubts in physics, chemistry, biology, or math from NCERT, then there is an easy solution to clear your doubts. You can download the app called DoubtNut, in which you have to just upload the photo of your question and they will give you a video solution, as well as there are online live classes for physics, chemistry, and biology, as well as maths, that your doubts are getting cleared easily staying at home in your mobile app. So the app link is in the description. You can download from there. Now let's start the video. So if you're planning to get into MBBS college, or you have got into an intern to a medical college, but we always think about कि is MBBS or a medical college for us or not, as in हम उस चीज़ के लिए बने हुए हैं या नहीं बने पड़े. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about the intelligence level of a person, cause हर बंदे का IQ या intelligence बहुत अलग अलग होता है, and everybody is good at one thing. एंड सो उस एस्पेक्ट में मैं नहीं चाहूँगी कि MBBS या फिर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट होने के लिए और एक डॉक्टर होने के लिए आपको इंटेलिजेंट ही होना पड़ेगा. नॉट एट ऑल. यू कैन बी एन एवरेज, यू कैन बी बिलो एवरेज, यू कैन बी अबव एवरेज, डजंट मैटर. बट इंटेलिजेंस पर्सपेक्टिव में गेटिंग इनटू एन MBBS कॉलेज और अ मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड बीइंग अ डॉक्टर इज नॉट एन इशू. बट देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स कि जिससे हम पता कर सकते हैं कि हम being a medical student या हम डॉक्टर बनने के लिए बने हैं कि नहीं हैं. Because these are the questions I asked myself also before entering and getting into the college. So in questions में जो I'll ask you guys, you should have yes or no. There cannot be a mediocre या between answer. अगर yes है without any thought, definitely get into a medical college. So definitely these are the few gold standard questions that you guys should have asked yourself before entering, or you're planning to study for the NEET exam and get into a medical college. So these questions will be brutal and honest. I'm not bragging about it, but I want you guys to know the reality and definitely think about it. Is medical college for you or not? Because everybody tells the fascinating things about MBBS and medical life, but the reality nobody tells, or only few tells, that I'm trying to tell you guys. So the number one question is, are you ready to study for a long time? Are you or not? And specifically, basically, I want to tell you guys that during the exam, you're supposed to study for around 11 hours or so. So if you're ready for studying for so much of long hours, you have the capacity to study for long hours, then definitely. And इसमें एक exception भी है कि अगर आप कम पढ़ के, एज इन कम टाइम में पढ़ के, एक बार में पढ़ के समझ सकते हैं, तो वो टाइम ऑफ 11 आवर्स आपका रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज एन एक्सेप्शन. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इफ यू आर रेडी टू स्टडी फॉर अ लॉन्ग आवर. इफ यू आर, देन डेफिनेटली yes, then go for it. If no, then think about why the answer is no. Number second question is related to this first question is कि will you be able to study for a long time and even use it for the long time? As in जो आप पहले पढ़ेंगे, you have to use it for further years also. Suppose if I studied anatomy in my first year and now I'm becoming a surgeon. उस सर्जरी में मेरे को anatomy की बहुत ज़रूरत होगी. So if you're able to study for long hours and you're able to study and understand and remember the things that you studied earlier, and now you have to give it to after so long, मतलब वही study जो आपने around 5 to 6 years पहले करी थी, you have to use it now. So are you ready for that? Yes or no? That's up to you guys. Because जैसे हमने first year में जो चीज़ पढ़ी, that will be used in the surgeries, even in the fourth year also. That's up to you. Yes or no? Number third question is, will you be able to spend money? It doesn't matter if you are in a government college or a private college. Okay, with the MBBS books are not cheap. They're very expensive. If I say कि first year books were around 10,000 or so, okay, and in the second year the number of books even increase, and even in the third year and fourth year, and in further years the coaching expenses also comes. Okay, so depending upon if you're able to spend money, that is why people say medical is expensive, because the books are also expensive, isn't it? So if you're able to spend money, then yes or no. As in I won't say कि it's too much of money you spend, but yeah, there'll be books expenses, there'll be coaching expenses, and there'll be many other expenses, and hostel expenses, and other more. Are you ready to spend money? Number fourth question is, are you ready to see more intelligent people surrounded by you? And are you ready to not be insecure and feel inferior in front of those people? Because मेरे हिसाब से you have your mark, you have your quality जो किसी और के पास नहीं होगी. So if you're able to just stand superior and become apart from them who were more intelligent than you, then yes, definitely medical college is for you. Number fifth thing, there is nothing known as between marks. You pass, you fail, you fail. You do not have to think about कि मुझे पास, मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स चाहिए. ये thought of ये स्कूल तक ठीक है till 12th कि मुझे 90% above चाहिए, 90% above चाहिए. But after entering into medical college, you have to leave this thought ahead. आप उसको आगे जाके उस थॉट को डस्टबिन में फेंक दीजिए कि नहीं, मुझे 90% अबव ही चाहिए. सो ये थॉट आपको फेंकना पड़ेगा. दिस इज ओनली पास और फेल. Number 6 thing, are you ready to study for so long? As in for around 10 years. Are you ready to study for such a long time? Are you? Then definitely go for medicine or MBBS and become a doctor. If you're not, then think about it twice. Then probably another course is good for you. And remember that if its answer is no, then doesn't mean कि आप कुछ और बनेंगे तो आप बेकार बनेंगे. Every course is beautiful. Remember this. You should be perfect in that. Then every course will be beautiful for you guys. So if you're ready for a long course of around 10 years, for your spending your 10 years in this medical life, when your friends are getting married, your friends are having kids, your friends are doing stuff, but you are still studying and studying and studying. Are you ready for that? Then definitely go for it. Number 7 thing is that a medical student, as in MBBS या PG की MD या MS की पढ़ाई is just not books. You study from books and you learn it. It's not that. You have to be practical, okay? So if you're a rattu tota, then think about it. You need to change your strategy to study, okay? So basically, not just studying for the books is important, understanding the aspect is important. If you know how to understand the aspect, then definitely medicine. MBBS, medical student, PGs is definitely for you. But if you're more into a mugging stuff, then you can change your strategy and MBBS medical student life will be for you guys. And if you're not into that aspect, you don't understand things so easily, then think about it. It's not like you cannot do it. Just think, just change your strategy, you'll be able to do it. Number 8, that your friends in the school won't understand what you deal with. Only your people or the friends in your college and the people who are in the medical field will understand what you go through. So if you try to teach them that yes, I'm going, they won't be able to understand. Okay, you have to deal with that if you're ready. And definitely, you guys might be ready if you want to be an MBBS. Okay, if you want to get into a medical college, then you should be ready that your friends from school and other colleges might not be able to understand. Only your classmates and other medical students will be understanding what you go through. Number 9th and now the last thing is that you have to deal with too much of pressure and stress during exams. Okay, definitely even I go through it. My god, my hair मतलब इतने गिरते हैं. There is so much of hair fall during exams. There is so much of stress during exam that we can't talk about. It's only when you are during the exams you feel the stress. When your exams are very near, you know how stressful it is. So if you're really ready for the pressure and the stress you get during the exam, then definitely go for it. And I would definitely tell you guys that the pressure is only during an exam. Okay, so you not to pressurize yourself कि नहीं यार MBBS या medical में तो बहुत pressure होता है मेरे लिए. This is during only exam. Why हमारे में ऐसा क्यों होता है? If you see other courses या फिर engineering, if you see, their syllabus is divided into semesters, but our syllabus comes full in the last prof exams. So हमारा ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में और सेकंड सेमेस्टर में सिलेबस अलग अलग आएगा. वी हैव टू गिव द एग्ज़ाम. जो सिलेबस होगा वो पूरे साल का एक एग्ज़ाम का पूरे साल का सिलेबस ही एक साथ आएगा. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी फील सो मच ऑफ प्रेशराइज्ड थिंग इन प्रेशर कुकर फीलिंग जो आती है. बस क्योंकि इंजीनियर्स में ये होता है कि सेमेस्टर वाइज एग्ज़ाम हो जाते हैं तो दे डू नॉट हैव टू मग अप फुल ईयर सिलेबस. हमें फुल ईयर के सिलेबसेस मग अप करने पड़ते हैं. So this is the fact that you have to be ready for so much of pressure. If you are, then definitely without any thought, go for it. Hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because whenever you do so, I feel motivated because you are my family.